Hello and welcome to today's F500 training tips. Today we're going to talk about the F500 TKO nozzle. Now, it's a great system if you don't have any other way to get F500 into your hose stream. You have a 2-liter bottle to hold your agent directly below the nozzle, a built-in adductor that can be set from 0.5% to 3%, and the nozzle itself. So in order to operate, simple enough, fill the reservoir bottle up with F500, set your eductor for the correct percentage, either 0.5 to 1% for Class A fires, 3% for anything else. Hook up your 1.5 or 1-inch hand line, pump it at 100 PSI, and you're ready to operate. Gives you superior knockdown, simple, easy to use, great for car fires, trash fires, kind of running on that bumper line that you would normally use for those small incidents. Hope you find this information useful. We'll see you next time. Thanks.